Can civil judges be involved in criminal cases?
No. Here. That was a quick no. All right. It was set up in our court. Originally, I think the judges did rotate, perhaps, but I know now we have 4 judges in the civil division. Each of the courts have magistrates as well. We have 3 judges in the criminal division, and there are magistrates there as well. I know that there are 2 magistrates in criminal division in the courthouse, and there's 2 magistrates in misdemeanor and traffic court over where the jail is in that building. We have in the civil division 3 magistrates that do nothing but small claims court. I have a magistrate who also does probate work, and I'm the probate judge. It's not advertised, but I am. So we don't venture into, I don't do criminal cases, and thankfully the family division has 2 judges and 4 magistrates, and I don't do, and I say thankfully because I did a lot of divorce cases, and I'm probably more qualified than anybody to be a judge in the family division. I chose to take a step in another direction, so we don't. Now, are there occasions when we venture into that? Yeah. One of the magistrates in family court didn't show up yesterday, and they were short a magistrate, and Charlie Pratt, the family judge, came up and wanted me to sit in. I couldn't do it. I would have. I have filled in family court on occasion. I had a policeman come in with a search warrant, and there were no criminal judges, and I signed the search warrant. I didn't know that I was supposed to keep a copy for Judge Gull, but I'd never done one before. Could I, if there were an emergency, if God forbid something happened to one of our judges and we had to keep the system going? Sure, I could. Do I want to? No. Am I qualified to do it? Probably not. I've never been a judge in the criminal. I wouldn't know the first thing about sentencing. I wouldn't want to do that, but I mean on certain preliminary things like taking a plea where they have a script and you read things, yeah, God forbid something happened to one of the criminal judges, would I fill in? Sure. But generally speaking, no. And I would say conversely, the civil division, the criminal division and family division judges probably had, maybe except for Judge Heath, who was a civil division judge, probably don't have the remotest idea of what we do, nor would I want them to.